Imagine if minutes from now, you could set up your very own movie and TV streaming service and get paid every time someone browses your platform and hits the play button on a show. And you could do it all today while canceling your own Netflix, Amazon, or Disney Plus subscriptions thanks to our revolutionary new app called ProfitTV. You won't believe how good the deal you're getting is. One-time free streaming forever? I wish I had this when I started out. Go ahead right now and secure your ProfitTV access today.
Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. Today I have another amazing software for you. This one is called ProfitTV by Mike and Mbadiwe. And this one in a nutshell is a brand new Netflix killer that helps you start your own movie and TV streaming services. And of course, you can use it for yourself or sell to others. And with this very application, you can easily monetize everything that you stream on this very platform. And with this, you can always cancel all your monthly subscriptions for Disney, HBO, and the rest of them, including Netflix itself, and it's beginner friendly. I mean, this is a great one if you are able to have a streaming service out there where you show some of the films that are shown, of course, with this Netflix and the rest of them that you pay monthly for. This is another business opportunity for you, and you can always have this on your website or whichever strategy you want to use, and this will definitely bring you the audience you need, and that means you will be making money online because this very channel and this very streaming service will be monetized, and you can start your own streaming platform and watch over 25,000 plus TV shows and movies, ads-free and zero cost forever, and you can sell assets to others as one-time fee or for monthly subscription, and it has inbuilt monetization via in-content ads, commercials, and affiliate products, and you have unlimited streaming, unlimited genre, and unlimited sub-accounts. Watch over 4,000 on multiple screens at the same time, and no limits whatsoever. You can cancel any of the subscriptions you have, watch any movie or TV show you want free and on demand, and you can also auto-import and publish. That means you can have ProfitTV as new shows every week, and with list building included because it captures leads for you because of the mechanism of the system, and it can help you do anything basically, and Autopilot free traffic with one click is inbuilt and 100% SEO optimized. That means this website that will be created with this for these streaming services will be completely SEO optimized. That means you can be seen at the search engines on Bing, Google, Yahoo, and the rest of them. So it's an amazing product for me, and at any point you decide to take a copy of this very product, use the first link below in my description area, and that link will bring you to this sales page where you click a button like this one, and you will be able to have access. If you stick with me, I will show you the bonuses that I have for you, which are, enormous. Many of them that you will be able to have benefits from, and these are training courses and of course software that is going to help you make money online. Now let us see exactly what you have. This is Mike, like I said before, Mike Mbadiwe of the MikeMbadiwe.com, and if you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. Now let us see exactly what the sales page says. This is the step number 1: log into ProfitTV and start your own streaming services. And step 2: watch your favorite shows on ProfitTV without ever paying anything again for your entertainment. And you have number 3: monetize ProfitTV by selling assets to others and running commercials, which is very good. Pay-per-click and all the rest of them, CPA offers, everything is there, including affiliate banners for affiliate products. So you have all that taken care of in this one, and this is exactly the kind of income that is made by the beta testers of this very ProfitTV, and of course that will show you exactly, give you an idea of what you are going to do, and you can change the strategy of your this streaming service to suit whatever purpose or plans you have in your mind. And I will definitely make sure that when you come here, you'll be able to go through some of these testimonials for yourself and see if this is going to help you make up your mind. But once it's coming from Mike, and Mbadiwe, it has to be good, and you will see from the performance of this very product, you will see exactly how how good these two are, and you will be able to partake in this very benefit which is called ProfitTV. I will leave the rest of the review of the page, sales page, for you when you get here. But for now, I will briefly now show you the pricing for this one. But before we do that, this is the very demo video for this product, which I'm going to attach right after I show you the pricing and probably my bonus. I will attach this very video so that you watch exactly how it's going to work when you start streaming, because this is exactly a copy of the product, how it's going to look when you have everything set up for yourself. Okay, so this is the demo video, but for now let us leave that aside and go to see the product pricing first before we see my amazing bonuses, and then I will play the very video of this very product in action and we'll call it a day on that. Now the front end goes for $17, and this gives you access to this very software, which is exactly the dashboard, and you also have access to the OTO number. The downsell for this very front end is $15, which is exactly that very application that I have just shown you. And the upgrade number one, the downsell should be $26.93. That's the upgrade number one, which is the pro version. And of course, you know what it means. If there is any short form, any shortcomings on this front, and you will have it covered on the unlimited pro version of this very ProfitTV. And here you have the ProfitTV done for you, which goes for $36.93, but downsell of $26.93, which is exactly what you are going to buy it if you are an early bird by using the link, the first link in my description. And then you have the reseller, which is the upgrade number 5, and this goes for downsell of 97, which means you can resell this product as if it's your own. And of course, you have also the IMX bundle, which has to do with the upgrade number 7, and it goes for downsell of $67. So you have everything here quite affordable. If you buy the front end, it is great to buy the pro version, and of course, if you want the done for you, this will give you exactly the price for the done for you, which is relatively cheap, around $27. So that's a good one. Now let us see the amazing bonuses that I have for you for this one, because I want to make this review very short. The first one will be Latitude, which is a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits. This is a product from Jono Armstrong, my mentor, and you have also the Jono Armstrong's another product that is called Tweetex, which is how to siphon traffic from Twitter to any offer or link of your choice. It could be affiliate link, it could be anything, website, blogs, whatever you have out there. And you have also this number 3, which is Insurgency, a training course on how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. Another insane offer you have here with this very one. And you have the bonus number 4, the Lazy Traffic Sniper, which is how to access free buyer traffic using a sniping mechanism that's going to snipe traffic to your offer, and that means giving you free access to commissions. Okay, now you have also a bonus number 5, a JavaScript commission bot, which is a training course on how to actually use a bot which is installed in your system to get traffic to make you 4 figures daily commissions. You have also number 6, which is the lockdown formula, a complete beginner-friendly training course on how to start online from scratch and scale your business to $5,000 or $10,000 per month. And it is from Jono Armstrong and David Islam. Okay, so that was done during the COVID lockdown, and it can help you start online from scratch. Now you have also this amazing number 7 bonus of mine, which is a commission toolbox that has over 1,000 different links that will give you different capabilities online, including link shorteners, background removers, video editors, image editors, and website builders, and all that. Everything is there. You will be able to have access to all of this when you buy this product using my link. And then at any time you decide to buy this product after purchase, under your purchase history in my WordPress account, you will find a page that looks like this. This one will give you access to ProfitTV, and this blue one will give you access to these amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you, which will be waiting for you definitely on my WordPress account, okay, when you purchase this product. And for now, let us see exactly what this video, the demo video for this software in action, how it's going to look when you set everything up, and after that we can round up on this very one. Okay,
welcome to ProfitTV, your very own streaming site where you can become Netflix. Whether it's to just watch The Office or any other TV show for yourself or sell it as a subscription to other users, ProfitTV has got it all. ProfitTV gives you access to any type of movie or TV show, along with a fully detailed review site of that movie with videos, trailers, the movie itself integrated for you and for your users to use. We can see everything we want about any type of movie, any TV show that has ever existed, and it's as easy as just searching for it here. And there we have it. We have all of the seasons. We can see everything that correlates to this TV show, and we can check out the reviews, other people's reviews, the reviews online, anything we need. This also includes searching for actors, searching for news in the TV show / movie environment, or anything else you want that you can charge your customers for. So this all looks great here, but let's take a look in the backend and see how easy it is to import anything you want into ProfitTV. In the admin area, we'll have an in-depth analytics of everything that our site has. In our appearance, we can change the appearance of our site without any problems, such as logo, name, anything else you need to make your site unique. In settings, we have a bunch of settings for content, for streaming, for bidding, that gives you instant access to a whole new niche of content to generate for your streaming site. Everything can be set on Autopilot to update automatically without you doing anything. You can set your settings for streaming so you can make sure it's exactly how you would want or how you would run Netflix, with a bunch of billing options that you can integrate with ProfitTV, and full control over your authentication, uploading, mailing, analytics, and everything else in between. ProfitTV gives you the power to own your content. You can either add titles manually, people, news, and everything else in between, or you can let ProfitTV generate these automatically. If you want to have a video that ProfitTV hasn't already added automatically, it's as easy as going to add new video, selecting the name of it, a thumbnail if you want to, and then going over to Video ID, which starts searching for your content through a number of streaming sites, torrent sites, anything in between to make sure you get the exact content you're looking for. So if we're looking for episode 3 from The Office, we can just search for it. And there it is, and you can just click on it for it to be uploaded. Select the quality. If we want to link it to any title, we can add it to The Office. We can add the season number and episode number, play around with everything to make sure it's exactly how we want it to be. Click Save. And sure enough, we can now go to our site to view it. It's that simple. Going back to our admin area, we can add lists, reviews, comments to make sure our site looks exactly how we want it to look and to have the maximum engagement. You can control your users to make sure you can manage their subscription, passwords, and anything else. Manage roles to make sure you can differentiate between your paying users and your guests. Create extra pages for privacy policy, for terms of service, for anything else, as well as check out all of the files you upload or your users upload. And not to mention, you can add any type of ads into ProfitTV and you'll see all of them show up on your site to make sure you maximize your profit and your engagement with your users. With thousands of movies and TV shows just a click away, ProfitTV is a no-brainer to either jumpstart your streaming business or just stream any TV show or movie for yourself to enjoy without any type of strenuous monthly fees. So check out ProfitTV right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.
Yes, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike, and this is why we are going to call it a day on this very review for ProfitTV by Mike, McKay, and Mbadiwe. And of course, today it's another great day and another product and another opportunity yet out there for you to start to make money online. If you are new to my channel, I would encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications, and I'll be back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the MikeandMbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, from me. From here, guys, it's goodbye.